Let's learn about applying unit rates in cooking. A recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar for every 5 cups of flour. How much sugar is needed per cup of flour? So let's highlight our key parts here. We have 2 cups of sugar for every 5 cups of flour. How much sugar is needed per cup of flour? So our flour is going to be that unit rate part, the denominator here. So a ratio here that sugar per cup of flour, so we have a sugar to flour ratio. And they tell us in our example we have 2 cups of sugar for every 5 cups of flour. So we can write this as a fraction. Right? 2 cups of sugar over our 5 cups of flour. So we have 2 cups of sugar for every 5 cups of flour. So what we want to do now is divide 5 into 2 to get a 1 in the denominator here. So if we're doing that, we have 1 cup of flour, our unit rate here, but then 5 goes into 2, right? That's going to be 2 divided by 5, which is a decimal of 0.4. So we have 0.4 cups of sugar. So sometimes this happens with unit rates where we might have a decimal value. That is actually fine if we follow our rules here. So our final statement can say 0.4 cups of sugar per cup, meaning 1 cup of flour. So again, our answer here is 0.4 cups of sugar per cup of flour. I hope you learned something here applying unit rates in cooking. And as always, thanks for watching.